Hello friends, welcome to the help videos of feed for Google Shopping app by Simprosys. In this video, we will show you the benefits of using size system, size type, unit pricing measure, and unit pricing base measure attributes, and how to use them in detail. Before moving to the video, please subscribe to our channel to get the tips and tricks about digital marketing, and press the bell icon to get notified instantly once we upload any new video. What is size system attribute? With the size system attribute, you can explain which country's sizing system you are using for your products. This information helps create accurate filters in Google Shopping results. The sizing system that you submit will affect search filtering and how variants are shown in your ad. If your product is such that you are submitting size, then Google recommends you submit size system as well, which makes it easier for Google to show your ad with correct size in it. Here are a few best practices. Submit the size system for all apparel products. By submitting your product's size system, you can be ensured that the size is shown correctly in your ad. Submit the correct system for each product. If you have different products each with different size systems, make sure to submit the correct size system. If you don't submit a size system, Google will use the standard system for your target country, which might not be right for your product. Submit the size attribute. Along with the size system, make sure to submit the specific size of your product using the size attribute. Let us quickly see how to apply this in our app. Go to Manage Products in our app, and here select all products on which you would like to apply size system. In this case, I am selecting shoes, as the size system for UK, US, and Europe is different. Size system is mainly for apparels and accessories. Click on Do Edits in Bulk, select Assign Size System. Now from the drop-down menu select your country code in which you would like to submit size system. I am selecting US in this case. And click on Apply in Bulk, and the size system will be applied to all the selected products. So in this case, the customers seeing your ad in other countries like UK or Europe will know that size system provided is according to USA. You can quickly check the same if size system is applied, or not by clicking in the product page, and here you should see size system US is applied. Now let's see, what is a size type attribute? Size type attribute means to describe the cut of your product. This information helps create accurate filters, which users can use to narrow Google search results. If your product already has a size type on it, then submit the matching supported value. Submit the size type whenever it's relevant. Please note, if you don't include a size type, Google will by default use regular. If that's not the right size type, then users could be misled, which could affect your sales. The supported values for size type are regular, petite, maternity, and oversize. Assigning size type is highly recommended when your products are not made for regular size use cases, like maternity or oversize. Let us quickly check how to apply this in our app. Go to Manage Products in our app, and select product on which you would like to apply size type. In this case I am selecting all products. Now click on Do Edits in Bulk, and click on Assign Size Type. Now for example, if you selling maternity related apparel or accessories, then you can select the option maternity and click on Apply in Bulk. Please remember, by default Google will always submit regular if you are not submitting any other size type. Now you can also check if the size type is applied or not by clicking on the product, and here you should see that size type is applied here. Now let's check how Google Ads results looks after you submit size type. As you can see here in the actual ads, Google will show size type like this. Please note, it is not guaranteed that Google will show the size type all the time in all the ads result. It is totally up to Google, and we have no control over it. Now let's see what is unit price measure. This attribute is used to define the measure and dimension of your product. This value allows your consumers to understand the exact cost per unit for your product. The unit pricing measure attribute is optional, but you may be required to provide this information based on some countries' local laws or regulations. For example, if your products target any of the EU member states, or Switzerland, please consider the legal requirements on this matter. If users might be interested in price per unit for your product and it falls into one of the following categories, then we recommend that you submit unit pricing measure. Here are some products that often use this attribute: hardware, office supplies, food, beverages, tobacco categories, flooring, business cards, and perfume. Let's check how to apply the same in our app. Go to Manage Products, and select products on which you would like to apply unit-based price. For example, here I have selected perfumes. You can apply the same to different kinds of products. Now click on Do Edits in Bulk, and select Assign Unit Price Measure. Here you need to type in the exact weight, or size of your product. In this case, as it's perfume, I will enter product's actual weight, which is 100 milliliters. Now click on Apply in Bulk. Let's quickly check if it's applied or not by clicking on the product page. Here you can see that it's been applied correctly. Now let's see what the use of unit price base measure. This attribute lets you include the denominator for your unit price. For example, you might be selling a 100 ml perfume bottle, but your consumers are interested in seeing the price per 10 ml. If you are using unit price measure attribute, then submit unit price base measure to include the denominator for your unit price. Please make sure to use the same type of units as you used for the unit price measure. For example, if you use ml for unit price measure, then use ml for unit price base measure. Let's see quickly how to submit this in our app. Go to Manage Products, and select the product on which you would like to submit a unit price base measure. I will be using the same two products on which we applied unit price measure. Now click on Do Edits in Bulk, and select Assign Unit Price Base Measure. Here you need to enter the weight you think consumers are interested in knowing the price for. In this case, I will be entering 10 ml. And click on Apply in Bulk. Now whenever your ad is shown for this particular product, Google might also show the actual weight of the product as well as the base price of the product, which will look something like this. In this Google Ads result, you can notice that the actual weight of this product is 50 ml. Now below here you can see that this merchant has submitted the base price measure for 100 ml. The same goes for this result as well. But in these two cases you can see that base price of the product. So the chances are that they not submitting the unit price base measure. Please note, it is not guaranteed that Google will show the base weight on all your products. In countries where it is mandatory, Google will show the base unit, but countries where it is not mandatory, it may not show all the time. Hope this helps. Please subscribe to our channel if you are interested to learn more about Google AdWords and other kinds of digital marketing. We are working to start a completely free course on YouTube that will help you learn digital marketing through Google, Facebook, and other marketing channels. Please refer to our other related help videos. See you again in another video.